Hey guys, this is the sound of you running your power needs, your air conditioner, at night on solar. No fumes, no danger of killing yourself with gas, and you can see 2200 watts, the same exact power as the Honda. This cost less. And I don't have to run out there looking for fuel. Hey guys, so this could be you trying to sleep at night. If you're lucky enough to find gas, and you've been doing the maintenance on your Honda, like your generator, and making sure you're keeping the oil and getting the gas out of it, and you're going to put it in storage. And of course, while you're trying to sleep with this noise, you also have to be concerned that this damn thing is not kicking off any noxious, poisonous, deadly gases. And you've got an environment where you can't run this in your house. It's got to be far enough from your windows and any egress so that you don't kill yourself. So here you are trying to dangerously sleep at night during a storm with this generator.